Fast payment refers to a type of payment processing system that allows for near-instantaneous transfer of funds between accounts or individuals. This is typically accomplished through the use of electronic funds transfer (EFT) technology and can include systems such as real-time payments (RTP) or instant payments. Fast payment systems differ from traditional payment methods, which may take several days to complete. With fast payment systems, the funds are typically available to the recipient within a matter of seconds or minutes, even outside of regular banking hours. Fast payment systems offer several benefits, including increased convenience, improved cash flow, and reduced risk of fraud. They also allow for faster settlement times, which can be particularly beneficial for businesses that rely on timely payments to maintain cash flow. Examples of fast payment systems include PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and various national or regional real-time payment systems such as Faster Payments in the UK, NPP in Australia, and UPI in India. These systems typically require both the sender and the recipient to have accounts with participating financial institutions or payment service providers. Sure, here are some additional details about fast payment systems. 1. Real-time payments. RTP is a fast payment system that allows for near-instantaneous transfer of funds between bank accounts. This system operates 24/7 and can transfer funds in real time, making it a popular option for businesses that require fast and reliable payments. 2. Instant payments. Instant payments are another type of fast payment system that allows for immediate transfer of funds between accounts or individuals. This system is similar to RTP but may have different technical requirements or limitations. 3. Mobile payments. Mobile payment systems, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, allow for fast and convenient payments through mobile devices. These systems use near-field communication (NFC) technology to transfer payment information between devices, making it faster and more convenient than traditional payment methods. 4. Peer-to-peer (P2P) payments. P2P payment systems, such as Venmo, Zelle, and PayPal, allow for fast and easy payments between individuals. These systems typically require both the sender and the recipient to have accounts with the same payment service provider. 5. Benefits. Fast payment systems offer several benefits, including increased convenience, improved cash flow, and reduced risk of fraud. They also allow for faster settlement times, which can be particularly beneficial for businesses that rely on timely payments to maintain cash flow. 6. Limitations. Fast payment systems may have limitations on transaction size or frequency, may require both parties to have accounts with the same payment service provider, and may have fees associated with their use. It's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of any fast payment system before using it to ensure that it meets your needs and requirements.